At Maynor Heating and Air Conditioning, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch customer service. Locally owned and operated in the Triangle since 1996, we provide quality heating and air conditioning services to the Greater Triangle area, including but not limited to Apex, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, Sanford, and surrounding communities. We provide a wide range of services including service, repair, installation, and design. We specialize in offering energy efficient and sustainable equipment options. What sets us apart is our attention to detail and personalized customer service. In serving our mission to provide unmatched customer service, we thoroughly train our technicians and installers both in the field and in our state-of-the-art training room on site at our Apex location. For more information, feel free to look us up at maynorhvac.com.